Welcome to Södertörn University Library. We are here for you. In the library, you will find course books and other relevant resources for your studies. Here at the information desk, you can ask questions and pick up your reservations. In the day-long collection, you will find course books you can borrow and return the same day. You will find your reading list of course literature on the study web. Then you can search for books and articles in our search tool Söderskollar. Our books are located on 2 floors, level 5 and 6. In the library, there are over 500 study spaces. We have a varied study environment with both quiet study spaces and areas where you can talk to each other. We also have group study rooms which you can book on the library web pages. To use the library, you need your SH card and your SH account. You will need the card when you borrow books and when you want to print or copy something. It is also an access card to enter the buildings at the university. With your SH account, you can log into the computers on campus, use the Wi-Fi, and log into the study web. You can also access the databases, your library account, My Loans, book group study rooms, book an appointment with a librarian, or an appointment to get support using accessible media. We really hope that you will enjoy studying in the library and that you will find what you need for your studies. See you in the library!